Assembling the Arozzi Arena Small gaming desk is easy. We suggest that you assemble your desk on a protective surface. This guide is divided into 4 parts. Feel free to skip ahead and miss out on some important information that I'm about to cover, or do it correctly the first time. Start with step number 1, the legs. Let's attach the feet to the legs themselves. You'll find 8 screws in bag A, 4 for each leg. Make sure not to tighten any of them until all 4 screws are in. Then tighten them diagonally, like this. Make sure to repeat this step until every screw is completely tight. Do the same for the other leg. Step 2 covers the frame of the Arena Small. The most important thing to remember when attaching the frame to the legs is not to tighten any screws. This will be done later on, just to make sure everything fits perfectly. There are 8 screws in bag B that attaches the frame to the legs, and don't tighten these just yet. We're already at step 3. That means it's time to take our 2 tabletop pieces and align them with each other. Again, there are 8 screws in bag C that we use to attach the frame to the tabletop. And repeat after me, don't tighten the screws. Okay, now we can actually start tightening the screws. That is, all 16 of them. Make sure the tabletop pieces are properly aligned when doing this. The last step is to attach the net to the underside of the tabletop. Use the 8 screws provided in bag D. These can be tightened by hand. Put the loops of the net around the screws, and the net is ready to be used. That's it for the assembly. All you have to do now is flip the desk over to start using it. We recommend you to be 2 people when doing this. Then roll out the full surface mousepad. If you got uneven flooring, you can rotate the feet to adjust their height. Make sure to lift the desk up before doing this. If you need further assistance, you can go to our website and contact us. You can also find more information about the features of your desk, assembly guides and maintenance videos here on our YouTube channel. Now enjoy your new gaming desk.